Jada Pinkett Smith has been no stranger to headlines over the years, especially with her marriage to Will Smith often in the spotlight. This latest chapter started with Bilal Salam, a musician who claims he knew Will for nearly 40 years and worked on projects with him. Salam stepped into the public eye through podcast appearances, like on Unwind with Tasha K., where he shared stories about allegedly seeing Will in a sexual situation with actor Dwayne Martin. Both Will and Dwayne have called those claims lies, and Jada has stood by her husband. Things escalated in late 2025 when Salam filed a $3 million lawsuit against Jada for intentional infliction of emotional distress. He said that in September 2021, at a private birthday gathering for Will at a Calabasas movie theater, Jada confronted him with several people around her. According to the suit, she warned him that if he kept talking about her personal life, he would end up missing or catch a bullet. Salam also claimed she pushed him to sign a non-disclosure agreement or face trouble. This all tied back to his earlier comments about Will and Dwayne, which had stirred up tabloid buzz. Jada quickly pushed back. In mid-February 2026, she filed a motion to dismiss the entire lawsuit under California's anti-SLAPP law, which protects against suits meant to silence free speech. Her team labeled the allegations false, uncorroborated, and nonsense, part of a pattern of harassment for publicity and money. Salam, who goes by Brother Bilal in some circles, stood firm, saying the threats left him fearing for his safety. On top of the big money lawsuit, Salam took another step by filing for a restraining order against Jada. He wanted court protection to keep her at least 100 yards away, citing the same 2021 incident and ongoing fears. This petition added fuel to the fire, turning a dispute over words into a potential safety issue. Court documents show Salam argued that Jada's actions caused him severe stress and harm. He pointed to her public profile and resources as reasons why he needed legal barriers. Jada's side countered that his claims lacked proof and were just an extension of the lawsuit drama. The hearing happened in a Los Angeles courtroom, where both Jada and Salam gave testimony. Details from the session highlight tense exchanges, with Salam recounting the alleged threats and Jada denying them outright. Her lawyers emphasized that no evidence backed up his story, calling it an attempt to drag her through the mud. On February 26, 2026, the judge ruled in Jada's favor on the restraining order. After reviewing the testimonies and arguments, the court found insufficient evidence to grant the petition. The case got dismissed, marking a clear victory for Jada in this part of the feud. Salam's request collapsed under the weight of unproven claims, leaving him without the protection he sought. This decision came as a relief to Jada, who has dealt with years of scrutiny over her family life. From her Red Table Talk revelations about her entanglement with August Alsina to the couple's quiet separation since 2016, the Smiths have faced constant rumors. Salam's stories fed into that narrative, but the judge's call suggests his version didn't hold up in court. The $3 million lawsuit remains active, with Jada's dismissal motion still pending. If the anti-SLAPP argument succeeds, Salam could even owe her legal fees. For now, this win lets Jada focus on her projects, like her memoir Worthy, which already stirred conversations about her marriage and personal growth. News of the denial spread fast on social media, with posts highlighting the quick dismissal. Many people following the story expressed support for Jada, pointing to her consistent pushback against what they see as unfounded accusations. Others noted the pattern of old acquaintances resurfacing with claims that lead to courtroom battles rather than resolution through private channels. Supporters praised Jada's strength, especially after her openness about mental health and relationships. The outcome has sparked talks about how celebrities handle public accusations, with many siding against what they call baseless suits. As the main lawsuit lingers, eyes stay on the Smiths, wondering what's next in their story. Thank you for watching the video.